everyone, welcome to the cutting floor review. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. I'm a product reviewer. I will be posting videos about 4 times a week, so stay tuned. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Styler. It looks like a paddle brush. I bought this product on Amazon, about $39 or so. I will leave the link for the Amazon so you can purchase it if you like. And this is what the box looks like. So you could go on Amazon and put in the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Styler in a search bar. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by Revlon or nobody. I'm just doing this review because I recently purchased this on Amazon and I wanted to try it. And so what it says on the box, it says Pro Collection Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Styler. Power of a dryer, precision of a styler. Smooth results with less frizz in half the time. Less heat-related damage. Icon technology. Reduces frizz and enhanced shine. Large paddle design that dries and smooths hair quickly. Detangling bristles. Help dry, smooth, and style hair. Lightweight design for maximum comfort and ease to use. So, I'm going to see, does this really work? First, I'm going to spray my hair with Dove. It is the heat protection spray. This is what it looks like. Just in case if you want to purchase it. You can get this at any store. I'm only trying one side of my hair today. This part is wet and this part is dry, so I'm only going to demonstrate on one side only. So, this is what the paddle brush looks like. I have seen on the reviews on Amazon, good and bad, and so I just decided I'm just gonna see for myself because I really needed another hair dryer, and so this says that it dries in half the time, so we're gonna see. It has 3 settings on here: cool, low, and high. So I'm going to try to cool in a low setting first. Okay? So it's going to be loud when I turn this on. So sorry for the loudness. So let's demonstrate and see, does this do what it say it does on the box? Okay. It seemed like it's taking a long time to dry my hair. So I'm going to try it on the next setting, which is the low, and see how that does. And by the way, while I'm drying my hair, if you guys can please hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. I will appreciate it. Thanks. On the low setting, it really doesn't feel like it's getting my hair dry at all. So I'm gonna try the high setting. Maybe that's a setting for my type of hair that it needs to be on, because I have the type of hair between 2A and 3C, I believe. So I'm gonna try it on that setting now, the high. Okay, on the high setting, it is getting my hair drier faster, but the handle gets hot quick. So I gotta be careful with that. This is a close-up to what the paddle brush looks like. Okay. And these are the three settings that's right here. It has it's near the off button, so it has off, cool, low, and high. One thing I'm noticing about this paddle hair dryer by Revlon is that the heat is not coming from the entire brush. It's a whole bunch of holes that's there. Not sure if you can see it. All of those holes, the heat is not coming from. The heat is coming from from here up. So probably half or less than half of this paddle brush, which I don't think that's good. But maybe it could be a safety reason why Revlon designed it that way, for the heat to only come out of that part of the dryer. Not sure why. But also, one thing I'm noticing about this hair dryer is that my roots are not dry. They're still damp. So I don't like that. So that tells me about this product. I'm going to have to use a second hair dryer just to dry my roots. That's not good. I don't got time to be using another hair dryer. So a lot of other people is not going to have time to pull out another hair dryer because of this paddle dryer did not dry their roots. You know, and so I don't like that. Let's see what else I don't like about this dryer, other than it don't get my roots dry, and when I have it on a high setting, the handle gets hot. Also, I don't like is that the heat doesn't come from the entire body of the brush. So it has a long cord, and it has that like red safety button that's on it, which all dryers got that red safety surge button. So when you have it on high, it does get your hair drier, like this part of the hair, but not the roots. When you have it on cool or low, it takes a long time to dry the hair. So that's my opinion. When you guys purchase this on Amazon and check it out for yourself, you will see if it works for your type of hair. But for now, I am going to have to go and pull out my Conair hair dryer just to dry my roots, because I got things to do. I gotta go. So that's the cutting floor review. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and hit the like button. Comment on this product below, and I'll see you next time.